Happy 4th of July weekend. Delayed because you guys are seeing this later, but I hope you guys had a great 4th. Quick pause to tell you guys that there's going to be lots of yummy food in this vlog with recipes that I will make sure to link whatever I can below. I'm making brunch. I just made some cheesy scrambled eggs, fried up some of these spicy sausage links that we had. And then right now, gosh, I don't know what she hears outside. I don't know if they're doing fireworks already or what, but she's going crazy. Anyways, I'm making breakfast burritos if you can't already tell. So we are on our way to the keg to celebrate Chris because he's awesome and made some big accomplishments at work. Big new things, so celebrating this man. He's driving. It's very bright right now, and I was trying to wait to film because it was so bright, but you guys get the idea. I'm wearing the same dress as from Father's Day, the one from Abercrombie & Fitch, because I just love it. It's so comfortable, but still, it's like elegant enough to feel like you're dressed up, but not super overdone, you know? And then I just have my hair to the side with these little pearl headbands are from Amazon that I wear pretty often. And I don't remember all my makeup to tell you all of that, but if you have a question, you can always ask me down below. And we're gonna eat some yummy steak, because that's what we get at the keg, filet mignon, bacon wrapped usually. It's the best. We always compare all of the filet mignons that we have at other like fancy steak restaurants to this one, and
only been one better.
Yeah, it's very rare that we find one that we like better than this one, and it's a high-end steak, but it's not crazy. My 4th of July weekend, I'm going to get my nails done right now because I am way past due. It's been 4 weeks instead of 3. They are looking pretty bad. And I've got my Made in the USA or Made in America shirt on. This little hat is so cute. I love how breathable it is. I've got a little clip in the rest of my hair back here, but this hat's from Temu.com and it was like $1. And I wear it kind of often recently. Okay. Going into my favorite nail spot. All right, I'm out of the salon and I got something extra sparkly. I don't know if you can really tell. It's like a chrome polish. I'll show you guys up close and personal, but it kind of shifts from pinks to blues. It's really pretty, very soft and almost like a pearlescent. You can see from the back here, it's more of like a pearlescent. It's really pretty. And then on my toes, I got like a bright fun pink. But I am ready to get home. Oh my gosh, I spent like 2 hours at the nail salon. And even though the pedicure was super relaxing and great, I don't know what it is about getting my nails done. I just feel like trapped. I just want to get it done. That sounds so bad. And I'm sure, don't get me wrong, I feel very privileged to be able to get my nails done and to have that experience, especially the pedicure was so relaxing. But when I get my nails done, I just want to be like, okay, let's speed this up. I want to get out of here. Made some grilled cheese for lunch, and one of Chris's has turkey. I just went the plain route today for mine. So my strawberry crumble just came out of the oven. I had a bunch of strawberries left over and I thought this would be the perfect dessert for 4th of July weekend. We're gonna have my parents over for some barbecue and this is gonna be our dessert. And my mom also got this lemon meringue cheesecake from Costco that is delectable. But hopefully this will be really good too. It's fairly healthy. It's not as much sugar as other desserts. I really tried to find a dessert that was a little bit lower in sugar content and was a little bit more on the fresh ingredient side. Happy 4th of July. Now, I know this is delayed when you guys are seeing this, but it's actually 4th of July today. The whole family has off, which is so awesome. So everyone's gonna come over here, have a little bit of barbecue, and just spend some time together. maybe we'll go to the community pool. I don't know. I wanted to show you this shirt I got from Shein, and it was so inexpensive. It's so comfortable. You can kind of tuck it into your jeans too if you want, like that. And these earrings are from Bobble Bar. They're a little heavy though, and I probably need to take my second earrings out too because they're so pretty, but they're like really wide. So we'll see how long I last with having those earrings on. My lip is from Morphe and it's called Hot Shot, I believe. I'll make sure to link it for you guys. I found it at Ulta, and they are some of my favorite liquid lips because they last really well, but they don't make my lips feel super dry and cracky. See how smooth it looks still? It's only been on for like 30 minutes so far, and I put my hair up because it's very warm today. It's about 111. Look at how handsome. I love the shirt. Turn around, baby. I want to show the pattern.
This was a picture.
Nope. Trick? Yeah, just kidding. I didn't know it was a trick. But look how cute this is. Love all the different patterns. It's new for him. That's right. Model it. Model it. Okay. Know that I love the Trader Joe's chicken fried rice, or just the regular fried rice without the chicken, but today we wanted to add some extra protein to our diet, so I added 2 eggs scrambled separately and then added in, and then chopped up some of the steak from leftovers and added that to it, and then some additional vegetables. So it's definitely very hearty. I think we're gonna get more than tonight out of this. Gotta turn down the air. It's like super hot outside right now. Okay, Chris and I are gonna be going to JP's Comedy Club tonight. We're seeing Tom Clark. I don't really know this comedian, to be honest, but we had these 2 free tickets to go to this comedy club, and from a Christmas present, and I thought that it would be a really fun thing to do for a date night, so I scheduled it, and this guy sounded like a good comedian. He's been on Conan, so I was like, how bad could he actually be? By the way, I haven't shown you this, but I've been wearing this necklace from HRH Collection, Alex, pretty much all week since I got it on, did I get it on Wednesday, babe? My necklace? Yeah, since Wednesday. I love it. I'll show you what else I got from her. She sent me another piece that I'll show you guys. But this one, I've been wanting a cross forever because the one that I had, the chain broke and I just never got it replaced or put it with anything. So this one was super beautiful because it just blings in the sun. Actually, you'll see in a second here. The like chain itself is so beautiful. Very sparkly. My nails, everything's sparkly right now. Very bright though. Handsome husband driving. And I also didn't tell you that we are going to, babe, what's the...
Do you have the tickets?
Oh, we gotta go back. It's on the fridge. I took a picture of it, but I doubt that counts.
No, probably not.
Babe, what's the Mexican food restaurant that we're going to?
Tocino's Mexican Grill.
Yeah. It's supposed to be very good, authentic Mexican food. We have not been there before, but it was really close to the comedy club, so figured that was a good spot. And now we have like less time to eat anyway, so that's gonna be perfect because it's like a quick grad place. All right, I gotta run in to get the tickets. Okay, slight detour. We're gonna have dessert before dinner because we don't have time for dinner. So we're gonna do a little frozen yogurt, some Froyo. But we didn't know that this is a Rocky Mountain Chocolate Factory place. What? Okay, this is the best thing I've seen all day. Definitely getting that, but then look at this. I like their color scheme here too. What are you going for? What are you going for?
I have no idea.
Hey, you guys, it's the next day. I did want to say that the comedians were really great at the comedy club. You definitely should go and check them out. The guy, Tom Clark, who was the headliner, was definitely the funniest, but the funny cop comedian, I think his name is, on Instagram. I'll link him right here, but definitely check him out because he was really funny. But I had to show you guys, I went to Starbucks to pick Chris and I some coffee up. We just dropped off my car for oil change. But look, they have this cute little, it's actually a bumblebee cake pop, but it reminded me of my honeybee days when my channel was called Honeybee Philosophy. And I just thought it was so cute. And I'm still honeybee, like even though my channel's not Honeybee Philosophy, everything is still honeybee themed in my life since my name is Melissa, and that means honeybee, and I'm Greek if you didn't know. Okay, we're moving. I gotta get my seatbelt on, but we're gonna try this in a second. You guys, I thought it was funny. I forgot to have my little honeybee charm on my bag too today.
Scrumptious?
So here is the beautiful packaging that HRH collection, her pieces came in. Okay, here's the beautiful necklace that she included for me. It's like this beautiful filled gold heart. It's so dainty and sweet. I love it. It's a really good layering piece with the cross even. So I'll definitely be wearing that really soon. Thank you so much, Alex. I love them. Love both necklaces. And then I want to show you guys, I tried a few different flavors. I literally took a bite of each one of these so that I could try out the new flavors for you guys. And hopefully some of them are still available because they are all kind of limited edition flavors. Now, many of you know the puff variety is my preference over the bars. It's just a lighter, more marshmallowy kind of texture, and I just like it even more. This carrot cake one is delish, you guys. If you like carrot cake, it's like carrot cake chocolate, like chocolate cake and carrot cake had a baby or something because of the chocolate covering. It's so good. I love this one. And then the cocoa banana, I was really surprised at how much I liked this one, but actually I think I like this blueberry muffin one better. It has like real blueberry chunks in it, and it really tastes like a muffin, like a chocolate covered blueberry muffin. This one's really tasty and does taste like chocolate covered banana, but it has kind of that banana fake taste to it, you know, like banana alcohol flavoring almost. So for that reason, these two are definitely my favorite of the bunch. And then we also have a cappuccino one. I love coffee. I'm not someone that really likes cappuccino or like coffee flavored things. So that's why this was my least favorite. But if you like coffee and chocolate flavoring together, you will absolutely love this. I just wanted to share with you guys how sparkly and pretty the chain is on this one too. I made sausage, red beans, and rice for dinner tonight, and I made a huge pot because my stepdad loves it, so I'm gonna give a huge batch of this to my parents too, and maybe Brian and Haley if they want it, but it is definitely extra spicy today. Do any of you love going to model homes or landscape places to get ideas? Well, my mom is one of those people, 100%. I actually love it too, and she shared a few really beautiful landscape things that she recently saw at model homes. So we are about to meet the Bruners for some lunch at Culinary Dropout here in Tempe.
Hey, we're the Bruners.
I know. You know what I mean, the Bruner family. And I just love this building. I think it's so cute. Very farmhouse. And it has a couple different restaurants. Yeah, we were just like marveling at how much has changed over here in Tempe. Like you can't really tell here, but this whole block down here that we just drove past is all like new apartments and condos and stuff. It's crazy. Guys, we got a coffee flight. Have you ever had one of these? Look at that.